8 years of bliss. 8 years of dancing, smiling, crying, living, loving, falling and failing again and again, and yet standing up every single time. The journey has not been easy, but it was always worth it. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up, because your day will come. I may not be the best, but I know I can always push my limits. I may not look the fittest, but I know how to transform lives, and I've been doing this from past 8 years. I'm not perfect, I don't want to be. I believe in being real, and that's what matters. I don't want to be a perfect size that people can only dream of being, but I want to be someone that when they look at me, they can say that if she can do it, so can we. I want to inspire. I want to make people believe that no matter what shape or size you are, you can still be fit and strong from inside out. I love dancing, smiling, and losing myself in music. These moments are real, these moments are bliss, and that's what I want to share with everyone in the room. No, I'm not your typical fitness instructor. I'm your friend, your coach, your biggest critic, and your biggest support when you need me. Want to know where my strength comes from? It definitely comes from the love that I receive from all of you, and also this amazing protein powder from Azani Nutrition that takes care of my daily protein intake. If you believe in living a vegan lifestyle and you do not want to depend on animal products for your protein intake, this Azani plant protein is a perfect solution for you. You can develop your muscle mass and manage your weight without relying on animal sources. This plant-based protein comes from brown rice, pea, chia seeds with the addition of superfoods like chlorella, cranberries and blueberries for an antioxidant boost. This active plant protein from Azani Active Nutrition will actually give you 25 grams of protein per serving with 3 grams of fiber, 0 grams of sugar and just 4 grams of carbs. That's like amazing. What happens when we try to consume protein from food sources? We don't realize that we're actually consuming a lot of carbs and fat also along with it. So though it is, it's a must to have a protein source in your every meal, but food supplements come handy when, because they're a much easier source of protein intake and they help you complete your daily protein requirement. Apart from that, this is gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, sugar-free, cholesterol-free. So everybody who's vegan, people who do not consume gluten, I think this is the perfect solution for you guys. All you need to do is just take 1 scoop of protein in a glass of water, shake it well, and just enjoy your amazing chocolate shake while getting your daily protein intake. Also, this helps in eliminating your post-workout fatigue, so your recovery is much faster and your performance gets even more better in your workouts. Apart from that, this contains dietary fiber and digestive enzymes, which helps in your nutrient absorption and aids in digestion, so it's really, really good for your gut health. The flavor that I'm having is rich, decadent chocolate, so it's totally yum. It's like consuming a chocolate shake, so it also helps me satisfy my sugar cravings without actually consuming any sugar. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go try it out. Also, apart from protein, yes, we always recommend you that you should consume your multivitamins and calcium daily, and that's where Azani Nutrition once again has done a great job with providing your multivitamins and calcium gummies. They look adorable, they're super cute, and you don't need to have it with water. You can just chew the gummy. They're like candies, so it's more fun and very yum to have. This is the calcium supplement from Azani Nutrition, calcium and vitamin D, and they're all gummies, so they don't need to be consumed with water. You can just directly have it. This is the multivitamin and minerals. It's really, really easy to consume this, guys, and as I said, it's completely yummy, so you will actually never forget taking this. This is how cute the gummies look in that beautiful teddy bear shape, and oh my god, I just love it completely. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and order yours now. You can get these products from Amazon or on the website of Azani Active Nutrition. Go grab them now.